Imagine calling for help after defending yourself, only to become the prime target when the authorities arrive. Welcome back, where we analyze the most complex legal encounters caught on camera. Today, we are looking at the startling body cam footage of the Manuel Martinez incident in St. Cloud. Why did a standard procedure escalate into a specialized canine deployment? Was there a massive misunderstanding or a failure in following proper protocol? You need to watch this until the very end, because the conversation the officers have, away from the suspect, changes everything about this case. Are your civil rights truly protected? Let's break down the facts and find out.
Okay, because that's 24. Is that 22? It'd be one more over. Where does it jump? Is that it with the 2 pump? That's him.
Put your hands up!
Hands up! St. Cloud Police, hands up! Do not walk away! You will get dog bit! Hands up! Walk to me. Walk to me now. Walk to me. Face away from me. Put your hands up. Hands up. Stop. Face away from me. Sir, you're about to get dog bit.
Shoot me. Come on. Get up. Why are you doing that?
On the ground.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. You're going to get bit. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What the hell do you want?
Just take him. Just take him. Just take him.
As we watch the footage unfold, pay close attention to the suspect's behavior. He has his hands up and appears to be complying, yet the situation intensifies rapidly. This brings up critical questions about the legal use of force. What constitutes active resistance in the eyes of the law? When officers issue commands, is there enough time given to comply before specialized units are deployed? This isn't just about this one isolated event. It touches on broader constitutional rights regarding unreasonable searches and seizures. If you were in this highly stressful situation, how would you react? Let me know your thoughts in the comments as we analyze the legal boundaries here.
Hey, you're gonna get it again! You're gonna get it again! Stop fighting! You're gonna get it again!
Move again, you're gonna get tased.
Dog's gonna go right back on you, man.
Okay. I'm okay. I'm okay, yeah. I'm okay.
Everyone's 10-4.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Are you okay? Hey, good job. Way to do your job. Way to do your job.
You defame freaking Palestinian motherfuckers. That's what it is.
The reason we're here is because someone was hit in the head with a gun.
No.
Right, and then you didn't call the police, so that's why we came.
First.
Okay. We're here to get your
You
side
are
of the story.
witnesses there.
Right.
I'm going to sue you guys.
Okay.
Believe me.
That's fine. But the reason we're here is because someone was hit in the head with a
Now, listen closely to what the man is saying while he is detained. He repeatedly states that he was the victim first, claiming someone tried to harm him and he was merely defending his property and his life. He immediately demands a lawyer, showing he understands his legal rights perfectly. This completely flips the narrative. Instead of a standard arrest, we are now looking at a complex self-defense claim interwoven with potential civil liability. When a citizen claims self-defense, what are the immediate obligations of the responding officers? Should the initial investigation have been handled differently, the legal implications for the department are starting to look very serious.
Chequea la guagua atrás. Yo la tengo en mi bolsillo. En mi cartera. En mi cartera. ¿No puedo ir a buscar la tarjeta? Está bien. Manuel, te dije que te quedes callado. I can believe. Why you can't go to my house?
I'm sorry, what?
Grábalo, graba todo.
Están grabando.
Okay.
¿Dónde está Mike?
Ya vi mi teléfono.
Corvette's in the garage.
That young woman.
90-year elderly woman.
Why you didn't go to my house and call and talk to him?
I called him. I was on the phone with him.
Yeah, so he came out. But did you see the way you came to receive him? I'm a small guy. Look at my size. I know. I'm going to sue you.
So we came here to talk to you.
So what's going to pay for it?
Matters or anything involved with you, you have to have all under one roof.
Evelyn, call Melvin, please.
Espérate un momento.
Call Melvin.
Estoy llamando a el cine. Ahora mismo.
Okay, tell him to come here.
Espérate.
If they call the lawyer.
Ya, déjame hablar.
We have to make sure that no one is further violence or gunfight or anything like that.
What a waste
All
of
he has to do is come out with his hands in the air. While the officer, none of this is going to happen. All we need to do is talk to him. So,
Give me a minute.
take your time.
Mamá, yo necesito que Melvin venga inmediatamente para acá. Está la policía aquí. No tuvo un problema en un negocio con un señor que le puño de la nada y
And he tried to kill me.
y la otra persona que le dio encima también y entonces él que anda con el arma lo atacó pero no disparó ni nada. Is there any way we can move him out of the front yard until they clear the house?
They're doing show up right now.
I'm with
Yeah, I
me,
think
I
he's
hang
dead.
out there. Who are you?
As soon as we get this done with, I'd like to clear the house.
That's
I don't know if he got sound in there or something.
Manuel,
It's the same way.
deja de estar
I'm
hablando.
pissed! Fuck!
Mira, hey, watch behind you. There's a car.
I need a car.
All right, you're good.
Stay here.
I gotta go to the hospital and do a post-fight interview with him, if he's willing to talk, and just take better photos of it cleaned up.
Helicopter, everything. No, sácale el teléfono. Who's in charge here? Who's in charge?
You were just speaking to him, sir, Lieutenant Mondello.
Okay, Lieutenant. Let me explain to you what happened.
I'm not the lieutenant, sir. He was the gentleman you were just speaking
Lieutenant,
to.
I explained to him already.
I'm coming right up to you because I want to continue.
I explained him already. So my only question is why they dropped the dog on me? That's the only problem that I have. Look at my neighbors. I'm ashamed here because a guy tried to kill me, and you defended that other guy because I video. He said, I want to kill Americans. and he's swinging me at the box.
Once he's done, can I have him back?
And he have another guy with him that tried to, big guys, and try to pull my gun to defend myself. That's what I have concealed weapon permit and everything. All right? Why he's swinging at me?
So just to
And
show
there's
you
two
until
guys
I
on
get
top of me
handcuffs,
trying to
this is
kill
the only document
Americans.
photo I can get.
Can you check that with the investigation? No.
This is where the footage gets incredibly interesting for civil rights attorneys. We hear the officers regrouping and discussing the justification for the K-9 deployment, stating the suspect was fighting on the ground. However, analyzing the initial moments of the video, we see a potentially different story regarding his level of resistance. In the legal world, these discrepancies are exactly what build multi-million-dollar lawsuits. Documentation and bodycam audio are crucial. Any inconsistency between the visual evidence and the verbal reports can be considered a breach of protocol. This specific conversation might be the exact evidence a legal team uses to prove a rights violation.
Refusing lawful commands. McCormick goes to push him on the ground. He starts fighting with him on the ground, so then that's when I put the dog on him. So he's actively resisting on the ground with the officers.
Why did? Okay.
So,
So he was fighting with officers on the ground,
yes.
coupled with felony suspect, or
Correct.
violent felony suspect. Okay. And Coda responded to the.
I just choked him off.
Okay.
I went, due to the level of his resistance, even with him fighting officers with the dog on him,
Okay.
it was just choked off.
Okay. Is Coda okay?
Yeah, he's fine. But yeah, the dog only went on him when he was on the ground, and he was still actively resisting with the officers because I don't know where the firearm was on his person.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm good with it. Did he step in front of your dog?
No.
Do you check my record? No.
No, I told them go hands on because at that point he was on his knees with his hands up. So I told him go hands on.
Oh, and then he started fighting.
Yes.
Gotcha.
So once he started further actively resisting, that's when the dog was sent on him.
I will not die.
I just have to do the blue teams, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, I'm just going to do a post-fight interview with him. Are you good? Because I know he was fighting with you guys on the ground.
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, I need someone to replace SEMA. If we're just gonna sit around.
We're okay. Yeah, I'll try to get him
Because I need to get him to take this guy back.
Okay.
And I need to go back around the city.
Agreed.
Alright.
Go and replace Simo's spot, and Simo comes out closer.
And obviously I can't ride with him at the hospital, but I can sit there as I'm doing my stuff.
Yeah, that's fine.
So, what is the exact financial fallout of an incident like this? When civil rights attorneys get involved in cases involving procedural errors and K-9 units, the financial settlements can be astronomical. Based on similar civil liability and constitutional violation lawsuits across the United States, a case with clear video evidence of policy breaches could easily see settlements ranging from $300,000 to over $1.5 million. These massive insurance payouts heavily impact municipal budgets and taxpayers. It highlights exactly why proper training and strict accountability are essential. Do you think a financial settlement is enough to deliver true justice? Subscribe for more legal breakdowns.